Yeah. What up, though? We just doubled our account, y'all. But this one trade almost did me real bad, real dirty, real fast on this next episode of Boxing and Bullish. I put an alert in right here. I put an alert in. Once price broke this, the alert went and I went and entered the trade. The smoke. Man, this trade is pissing me off. It's pissing me off. I'm gonna tell you, I'm glad I wasn't recording a second ago. Oh, you would have seen a mixed bag of emotions. Nah, and we're on our way out of here. We're out of here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go to our orders because I definitely did put a stop in, and let's modify this bad boy. Yeah, that means it's moving. Yeah, 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 yeah. And modify it again. Be 22 then. Did he close it? I think it did. Three. Hey, wait a minute. I know I ain't tripping. I know it better close my. Sheesh. I was about to say, is you crazy? Is you crazy? I know I put in a stop order. So that's it for the day for me. Goal was 93, 97. Yep. Goal was $97 for me. So we at 107. So we did 10 over goal, which is that's great. And so I'm gonna go ahead and journalize my trades and call it a day. So there you have it, folks. Whew. That was a close one, but we another successful episode. Once again, Boxing and Bullish. I'm your host, Deb the Smoke. Remember, like, comment, and share, and also too check the link in the description if you're interested in learning my techniques. Go ahead and copy and paste that link, and then we'll see you at the next one. Peace.